Kawai ka Phlim thamai na Telegu, kala Pyndep haki arpusan Sngi ya ka Jingring Phlim haka jala Meghalaya, haka babu na ki Jingring dur la Pyndep hasora. Menteri rangba ka jala konrat ke Samla ulaya thuru baki ladon hadu kumba 8,000 ngut ki Samla kenthei bersenrang ki baladon benta banyarap haka por baring ya ka ni ka Phlim.
So under the Meghalaya film policy, the first movie has been completed. This is a Telegu film shot within 25 days and 100% of the shots or the shooting took place right here in Meghalaya, mostly in Sora area. And you'll be happy to know that close to 2,000 of our youths, our local boys and girls, were employed during the shooting of this particular film. I'm very happy and I hope that many more such films will come and Meghalaya will become a very popular destination for this. And I have with me Mr. Venu, who is the producer of this movie. Thank you so much. How was the experience?
It's been a great experience under your leadership and the beautiful people of Meghalaya were able to complete a Telegu film of this scale in less than 30 days. Which is actually around 25 days, as you rightly said. So, which is going to be record by itself. And this film is going to be released in Kasi as well. So, and we would like to invite you for a red carpet premiere in Hyderabad.
I will be there. Sure. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.